Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your trusted destination for all the latest and officially confirmed automotive updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world, the 2025 Mercedes G-Class. According to the latest updates confirmed by Mercedes-Benz, the 2025 G-Class has received a comprehensive upgrade, reinforcing its legendary off-road capabilities while significantly enhancing its performance, technology, and overall comfort. The 2025 Mercedes G-Class brings forward a refreshed design that subtly modernizes the SUV while staying true to its classic, boxy aesthetic. According to Mercedes-Benz, the new model features revised front and rear bumpers, a more aerodynamic grille, and updated LED lighting technology. The design changes not only improve its road presence but also enhance its aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to better fuel economy and performance. The G-Class now rides on newly designed alloy wheels with optimized aerodynamics that help reduce wind resistance and road noise. Under the hood, the 2025 G-Class has seen notable improvements in engine performance. Mercedes-Benz has officially introduced a more efficient powertrain lineup for this year's model. The G550 now comes equipped with a new 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This engine produces 443 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, an upgrade over the previous model's V8 setup in terms of efficiency and responsiveness. According to Mercedes, this new configuration allows for a smoother power delivery and significantly better fuel economy without compromising on the raw performance that the G-Class is known for. In terms of acceleration, the 2025 G550 can now sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.3 seconds, which is slightly quicker than the outgoing model. This performance improvement, combined with the updated 9-speed automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensures that the G-Class continues to deliver a commanding and confident driving experience on any terrain. For those looking for even more performance, Mercedes-AMG has also upgraded the G63 variant for 2025. The AMG G63 continues with its 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, but now also incorporates a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This updated engine produces 577 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. The integration of the mild hybrid system not only improves throttle response but also contributes to better efficiency and smoother start-stop functionality. Mercedes confirms that the 2025 AMG G63 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, marking it as one of the fastest luxury SUVs in its class. Inside the cabin, Mercedes-Benz has taken a major leap forward in luxury and technology. According to the latest updates, the 2025 G-Class now features the MBUX infotainment system with dual 12.3-inch displays seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. This system offers enhanced voice control, faster response times, and greater customization options. The user interface has been refined, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. The interior also benefits from upgraded materials, including Nappa leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting. In terms of comfort and convenience, the 2025 model offers more advanced driver assistance features as standard. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and the newly updated 360-degree camera system with off-road specific views. Mercedes has confirmed that the G-Class now includes its latest off-road cockpit, which provides real-time terrain and vehicle data to assist drivers during challenging off-road adventures. The suspension system has also been enhanced for improved ride comfort and stability. The 2025 G-Class benefits from revised damping and upgraded components that improve both on-road refinement and off-road durability. Additionally, Mercedes has introduced optional adaptive suspension settings that allow drivers to customize ride quality based on driving conditions. According to Mercedes-Benz, another major upgrade includes a more efficient energy management system, which contributes to reduced emissions and improved overall efficiency. The 2025 G-Class is now built using more sustainable materials and manufacturing processes, aligning with the brand's goal of achieving a carbon-neutral fleet in the coming years. In terms of safety, the 2025 G-Class meets the highest standards set by Mercedes-Benz. The SUV now comes with an upgraded pre-safe system, pedestrian detection, and automatic emergency braking as part of its comprehensive safety package. These updates ensure that the new G-Class not only excels in performance and luxury, but also offers top-tier safety and security for its occupants. Overall, The 2025 Mercedes G-Class stands as a significant upgrade over the previous generation. With a more refined engine lineup, cutting-edge technology, improved off-road features, and enhanced luxury, Mercedes-Benz has once again proven why the G-Class continues to be the benchmark in the luxury SUV segment. Every detail, from performance to comfort, has been carefully upgraded based on official announcements and developments from the company itself. Thank you for watching this detailed update on the 2025 Mercedes G-Class here on Digital Cars Info. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more verified and official automotive updates. Stay tuned for the latest car launches, upgrades, and in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.